get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
Guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm doing a serious keto meal prep. So if you want to follow me on my weight loss journey and what I eat in a day on OMAD diet or on keto, well, OMAD Keto Diet, just stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and let's get with the video.
Me right, your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Alright you guys, so this is my meal prep. I have my salmon, I have my keto quiche, cornbread, I have my cauliflower macaroni and cheese that you guys saw me make earlier. I got my veggies. I even made me some tuna and some of my breakfast egg muffin. If you want to know how I make this, I will link the card on top. If you want to know my recipe for tuna, I will link the card on top. And this is my meal prep. Just simple. It's going to last me a good 3 to 4 days. And yes, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?